Can artificial intelligence replace language learning? Brains that transform. Positive effects learn. Foreign languages in children and teens. Learning another language forces the brain to accept multiple valid ways of expressing the same idea. Increases mental flexibility, empathy, and elastic thinking. This trains the ability to don't stay rigid in a single interpretation, change your point of view and resolve internal conflicts with more options. A less rigid brain, it gives us more minds, emotionally adaptable, strengthens emotional control. Bilingual and multilingual children show emotional regulation, deep attention, and all of these increase the inhibitory control, more active prefrontal area. This means longer pause before reacting, fewer emotional autoresponders, better impulse management. It is not being calmer, is to have more internal space to choose how to respond. Improves the capacity of deep attention. Switching between languages trains the brain to filter the mental noise, keeping the focus on what's important, ignoring irrelevant distractions. The effect is especially powerful in teens with digital saturation, constant multi-homeworks, cognitive fatigue. Learning another language is like a silent gym for attention. Develop a more complex and richer identity. Each language activates different shades of the self, rhythms of thought, ways of narrating oneself, emotional tones. Children learn that I'm not just one version of me. This reduces the typical stiffness in the formation of identity during adolescence. I'm like that. Period. Increases the cognitive empathy. Not only emotional empathy, I feel what you feel, but accept that different cultures think differently but not worse. Understanding how the other organizes the world. Neurologically, networks are activated and associated with understanding context, theory of mind, reading intentions, less quick judgment, deeper understanding. Improves narrative memory, not just mechanical memory. Learning languages strengthens the ability to remembering stories, connect events, understanding meaningful sequences. This has a direct impact on creative writing, reading comprehension, organization of thought. The brain stops storing loose data and begins to think of stories. A brain that thinks in stories better understand the impact of their actions. Narrative memory, relational thinking, increases tolerance for ambiguity. In foreign languages, not everything is understood. Not everything is literal. Not everything has an exact translation. Creativity appears when thought ceases to be literal. Symbolic creativity, abstract thinking. The brain discovers that one idea can appear in many ways. Their brain will have more pathways if one stops working. Future cognitive decline is delayed. Alternative networks are strengthened. More neural connections are created. Even if the child doesn't know it now. Silent act of neurological self-care. Long-term effect. Learning languages does not train workers. Trains flexible minds, regulated emotions, open identities, resilient brains. Learning languages does not train workers. In a world of artificial intelligence, computer and mobile applications and foreign language learning, with its neurolinguistic effects and benefits for brain plasticity and children's cognitive development, remains irreplaceable. Power outage. Everything went out. Marina Gonzalez, children's author. Stories that inspire values for a humanity with stronger identity, more authentic, more respectful, more human.